It's a beautiful summer evening in Sun Valley, Idaho, and our community has come together to help some really deserving kids. I'm Michael David with Eye on Sun Valley, and tonight from Festival Meadows, Cox Communication is sponsoring their second annual bike build, getting 10 bikes together, the community building them and giving them to deserving kids so they can hop on and enjoy that biking freedom. Check out the exciting action. I'm Michael David with Eye on Sun Valley, and we're here at the 10th annual Sun Valley Road Rally benefiting the Blaine County Drug Coalition. And joining me is John Lewis from Cox Communication. Cox is a sponsor of the Friday night, the Ketchum Cruise portion of the Road Rally. John, why does Cox get involved with something like this?
Well, we really needed a venue that represented kids in education, educating kids on drugs and the abuse, program. And so we thought it was just a great matchup with the coalition to be able to do this great event that we did tonight.
And you guys have been a great partner, but this year kind of added this new thing, the bike build that got 10 bikes to kids in the community. How'd you come up with that idea, and how special is that?
Well, Cox supports kids in education, so we thought, what better way to give back to our community than to create this opportunity of the kids getting a bike. So just really be able to give back to our community and the kids in it. And those kids, obviously they were pretty excited about getting those bikes. So,
right.
Yeah.
And it took the whole community. You had 10 teams made up of different community teams. Talk about that.
Yeah, that's a big part of it. And we tried to reach out to as many different types of businesses, and but both government centered businesses and then just community members, and construction, and just reach out to them and get them to give back as well, or be a part of our vision in giving back. And so, we reached out from north to south. We weren't just Ketchum based. I know we had some Ketchum Fire Department gals, but we really wanted to get the whole valley involved because we interact with each other all the time. Why not really step it up and get these people to come out and show that they support the community at this event?
So wonderful. And these kids, it's some freedom that they get, and they might not otherwise be able to get a bike like this. And now they can hop on that bike. They can be independent. It's such a wonderful event.
Yeah, it was great seeing those two little guys jump on their bikes right after they got them. So that's what it's all about, the freedom. They're walking around earlier, and now they're riding around.
Right. Well, thanks to Cox for doing this and bringing the community together. It's just a great thing. Again, my guest has been John Lewis from Cox Communications.
Eye on Sun Valley, daily local news from beautiful Sun Valley, Idaho.